So students, this is question number 4. The taxi fare in a city is as follows. For the first kilometer, the fare is rupees 8, and for the subsequent distance, it is rupees 5 per kilometer. Taking the distance covered x kilometer and total fare as y. Write a linear equation for this information and draw its graph. So students, understand the question clearly. For the first kilometer, the fare is rupees 8, and for the subsequent distance, rupees 5 per kilometer. Okay. Then mention distance covered, that is x, and total fare, that is y. Now you have to find linear equation for this given information, and you have to draw its graph too. Okay, now let's see solution. Given itself, they gave total distance covered, that is x. Okay, and first kilometer fare, that is rupees 8. Other kilometer fare 5 per kilometer, is it? Okay, now let me ask a question. Just an example. Okay, total distance 5 kilometer. If you subtract 1 kilometer from that 5 kilometer, how will you find the remaining distance? 5 minus 1, is it? Yes. Here also the same way, total distance x. If you subtract first kilometer from x, what's the remaining distance? X minus 1, is it? Now tell me, what's the fare of remaining distance? Yes, 5 into x minus 1. That 5 is given in the question itself. The total fare will be, for first kilometer, that is 8. 8 plus remaining kilometer fare, that is 8 minus 1 into 5. So just you take the total fare as y. So y equal to 8 plus x minus 1 into 5. That is our given equation. Now see that 8 plus, now just multiply with 5. 5x minus 5 equal to y. Now let's form that general form of linear equation in two variable from the given step. 5x minus y. Okay, so the general form is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. So first let me write 5x, then y part. So that y will come that left hand side, so it will convert into minus. So 5x minus y, then plus c. Instead of that, 8 minus 5. So 8 minus 5 equal to 3. So 5x minus y plus 3 equal to 0. That is our equation. Okay. Students, this is very easy if you understand the concept clearly. So let me tell you again. Total distance x. So what's the remaining distance? X minus 1. So what's the fare of remaining kilometer? 5 into x minus 1. So total fare equal to first kilometer fare plus remaining kilometer fare, that is 8 plus x minus 1 into 5. Now let's find solution of the given equation. Let me give a value for x, that is 0. If we substitute that 0 in given equation, 5 into 0 minus y plus 3 equal to 0. 5 into 0, that is 0, is it? So minus y plus 3 equal to 0. So y equal to 3. So minus y equal to minus 3. So minus minus cancel. So y equal to 3, that is the answer. So the first solution, that is 0, 3. Okay, let's find second solution. So let me give 0 for y. Okay. So y equal to 0. Just to substitute that y value as a 0. So if you substitute y equal to 0 in given equation, 5x minus 0 plus 3 equal to 0, is it? Now see that 5x minus 0 plus 3 equal to 0. 5x plus 3 equal to 0. 0 minus 0 plus 3 means that is plus 3. 5x, yes, it will go on the opposite side. So 5x equal to this plus 3. If it go opposite side, that will become minus 3. Now x equal to minus 3 by 5. You know the division. just you divide that number. Here denominator greater than numerator, is it? So the x value will be in decimal form. So point, if you keep point, you can add number of 0 with numerator. So if we add 1 0, that is 30. So 6 5s are 30. Okay, so minus 0.6, that is a x value. So second solution, that is minus 0.6 comma 0. Now what you have to do? You have to draw graph, is it? So let's mention this point in the graph. So first solution, that is 0 comma 3. So now just see that x coordinate, that is 0, y coordinate, that is 3. So 0 point, that is in x axis. So now see that this is the point 0 on x axis and that is 3 on y axis. So 0 comma 3 is the first solution. Okay, now let's find out second solution. So second solution is minus 0.6 comma 0. First you just mention that point 0 on y axis and minus 0.6, that is on negative side of x axis. So this minus 0.6 between 0 and minus 1. So this is the point minus 0.6 comma 0. Now let's join that both point 0 comma 3 and minus 0.6 comma 0. Just you draw a straight line. So students, you should use scale while draw this straight line. Okay.